So welcome back to the channel everyone, Triple M here, and today I wanted to do an updated video on how to get your Fire TV remote connected to your Fire TV device. Now this can be for Fire TV Cube, Fire TV Stick. If you're in a scenario where your remote's lost, broken, you got a new remote, or remote just stopped working for whatever reason, this video is going to show you different ways how to get it reconnected. So we're going to jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so here we are demonstrating on the Fire TV Cube. This is the newest Fire TV Cube, and I know that for the Fire TV Cube you can navigate to the menus. Like for instance, if I say go to settings, so for the most part you do have some voice command that you can use, but if you have a Fire TV Stick, that won't be available. So you need to get this remote that's not currently paired to your Fire TV Stick. So there's a couple ways to do it. Some people say that if you go into pairing mode, it should automatically detect it. So let's go ahead and try that out. So to go to pairing mode, what you need to do is press the home button for 10 seconds. All right, so you are going to see the light start flashing there. All right, so you can see it's flashing. It is in pairing mode. However, you can see on the television set itself, nothing's happening. It's still flashing. So that's really not a good option as far as just getting it to automatically detect. So what I found that works for me, and I've done a short video on this before, is getting the Fire TV application on your phone, on your mobile device, connecting to your Fire TV, and then you can go ahead and go to the menus that you want to get this connected. Alright, so here's a look at the Fire TV remote. Let's go ahead and launch it. So I actually found a ton of devices. You can see Fire TV Stick Lite, Fire TV Stick, second generation, living room Fire TV 4K, Fire TV Cube. So a ton of them that's on here. The one I want to connect to, of course, is the Fire TV Cube. So I'm going to click on it. Alright, it is going to prompt for a code. Alright, you look on the TV now, you can see it is asking for that code, and my code is displayed right there. So what I'm going to do is just put that code in on the phone. The code there is going to be 5949. All right. All right, so I am connected now, as you can see. Now I can use my phone to control my television. And just letting you guys know, this can be where you stop this video and say, okay, this is good enough. Let's say you're in a bind, you don't have a new Fire TV remote or Fire Stick remote. This actually works really well, better than expected. And I did a whole video just going over what you can do with this remote. Definitely worth checking out. No latency there, as you can see, pretty quick. And the cool thing about this is once you get it paired, you do have access to an on-screen keyboard, so you can type using your phone. So like I said, pretty cool way to get this set up. But of course, for this video, what we're trying to do is get this new remote paired. So now that we have control of our Fire TV, what we're going to do is go over to our settings. So we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, and we're going to click on Amazon Fire TV remotes. So there's an option to add a new remote, and that's what we're going to select on the actual mobile device. So we're going to go down one, we're going to add, and this is where you want to go ahead, and it's telling you right there on the screen that what you need to do is hold the home button for 10 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that. And we should see that LED start blinking as well. All right, so now you see the LED. And the TV still searching. You can see found the Fire TV remote, ready to pair. So we're gonna go back to the app again, and we're gonna hit select. All right, so while this is still in pairing mode, and now our Fire TV Stick remote is now paired with the Fire TV. So what if your Fire TV is not on your network and there's no way to download the application and pair your remote that way? Well, in order to do this, we're going to need to do two things. So first thing you're going to need to do is unplug your Fire TV from the power source. Once you replug it, it will boot back in, and give it a couple minutes, guys. It will eventually pop up a message saying that the remote cannot be detected. Now, once
it shows this message. All you have to do is on your Fire TV remote that you want to pair it with, press and hold the home button for 10 seconds and this should connect. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this working. So here's the remote that I'm attempting to use, guys. This is the upgraded Fire TV remote with the pairing function, backlight. You can see I'm pressing buttons, nothing is happening. So far it's just sitting on my profile, not really doing anything. First thing you're gonna need to do is restart your Fire TV. Now, in order to do this, all you need to do is pull the USB from the side, plug it back in, and it should boot back up. So we'll just give it a second for it to boot up. All right, so let's see. Nothing happening there. You can see I'm trying to click it. Nothing's moving. Nothing's moving here either. All right, so what I'm gonna try to do is press and hold the home button on the Fire TV remote. This is the Pro remote, by the way, and just see if it recognizes it. So I'm gonna press and hold. All right, so it is blinking. All right, so it looks like nothing's happened. What I want to do, guys, is just kind of wait a little bit. Cause what we're waiting for is for the message to pop up that the Fire TV does not detect a remote. Oh, there it goes. So press and hold the home button again. Look like it automatically found it. So again, this might be some trial and error, but press and holding that home button on the screen, you can see that my Fire TV is now connected. And now I can use this remote. I can navigate. I can do whatever I need to get this up and running. So like I said, I wanted to give you guys all the options. If you're connected to the internet, you can easily download your application, figure out which one is your Fire TV stick, and pair your remote that way. However, if it's a new remote and your Fire TV stick is not on the network, you can always force it to find the remote from the home screen by holding the home button. So that's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.